Welcome to Shimmer Meadow, a magical place where dreams sparkle and friendships bloom. Here lives Tilly the turtle, a gentle soul with a big dream. She wants to reach the distant sparkling hill. The hill is famous for its rainbow waterfalls and the shiniest flowers anyone has ever seen, but for Tilly it seems impossibly far away. Still, her heart is full of hope and she's ready to begin her adventure. Let's join Tilly and see how her journey unfolds, step by step with the help of her friends and a sprinkle of shimmer. Lee gazes across the meadow, her eyes fixed on Sparkling Hill. The journey looks long and difficult and she wonders if she'll ever make it. But Tilly isn't alone. Her friends Benny the bear, Luna the rabbit, Finn the fox, Sammy the squirrel, Avery the hedgehog, and Shimmer the meadow fairy are always nearby. They notice Tilly's worried face and gather around her, ready to listen and help. Sometimes big dreams can feel overwhelming, but with friends by your side, anything is possible. Before Tilly's journey begins, there's a special message for all the wonderful students who inspired this story. The author wishes for everyone's heart to sparkle with kindness and for the magic of friendship to light every day. It's a gentle reminder that the lessons in this adventure, goal setting, perseverance, and celebrating small successes, are for everyone. As we follow Tilly, let's remember to carry kindness and friendship with us too. Shimmer Meadow is no ordinary place. Whenever someone feels happy or helpful, the grass and flowers glow with soft purple and yellow light. It's a world where positive feelings make everything brighter. The six best friends Benny, Tilly, Luna, Finn, Sammy, and Avery live here, and their days are filled with laughter and support. In this magical meadow, every small act of kindness adds a little more shimmer to the world. One bright morning, Tilly shares her dream with her friends. She wants to visit Sparkling Hill, a place with rainbow waterfalls and the shiniest flowers. But the hill is so far away that Tilly feels discouraged. Her shoulders slump and she wonders if she'll ever get there. Her friends notice her sadness and rush over to see what's wrong. Sometimes sharing your dreams is the first step toward making them come true. Tilly's friends gather around her, ready to listen. Luna, with her flower headband, gently asks what's wrong. Tilly explains her big dream and everyone agrees that the hill does look very far away, but no one laughs or tells her to give up. Instead, they offer understanding and support. It's moments like these that show the true power of friendship, being there for each other no matter how big the dream. Then Shimmer the meadow fairy appears in a swirl of golden light. She smiles warmly and reminds Tilly that big goals can feel scary, but they're possible with small, steady steps. Her words bring comfort and a spark of hope. Tilly adjusts her purple glasses and asks, "How do I start?" Finn suggests making a simple plan together. With encouragement and a plan, even the biggest dreams start to feel possible. Friends sit together under a shady tree and come up with a plan. They decide to walk a short distance each day, making the journey to Sparkling Hill feel less overwhelming. Tilly feels a spark of hope as she realizes that small steps can lead to big changes. With her friends by her side, she's ready to begin her adventure, one tiny step at a time. On the first day, Tilly and her friends walk to the sunny flower patch. Tilly takes 10 careful steps and the meadow glows even brighter with her effort. Her friends cheer her on and Benny gives her a big, gentle bear hug. Tilly smiles under her yellow and orange polka dot cap, feeling proud of her progress. Every small step is worth celebrating. On the second day, the group reaches Berry Grove. Tilly takes a few more steps than before and starts to feel proud of herself. Some days are harder than others and Tilly sometimes feels tired and wants to stop. But Avery gently reminds her, just one small step at a time. With each step, Tilly grows stronger and more confident, learning that progress is made little by little. Whenever Tilly feels unsure, Luna teaches her to say, "I can do this next step." Finn makes up a fun marching song and the friends cheer for every little success. By the middle of the week, they reach the sparkling stream. Tilly looks back at how far she's come and feels her heart grow lighter. Every bit of encouragement helps her move forward and she learns to celebrate each milestone. Shimmer the meadow fairy returns, sprinkling sparkling dust and reminding Tilly that small steps really do add up. Tilly nods with excitement, realizing how much she's accomplished. The journey is no longer scary and she feels proud of every step she's taken. With her friends and a little magic, Tilly is closer than ever to reaching Sparkling Hill. On the last day, everyone walks together for the final climb to the top of Sparkling Hill. Tilly takes the last few steps and suddenly she's made it. The rainbow waterfall sparkles like magic and colorful flowers dance in the breeze. Tilly's eyes shine with joy behind her glasses. She shouts happily, "I reached the Sparkling Hill all because I took one small step at a time." Her friends clap and cheer, proud of her determination. Whole meadow glows with extra golden shimmer as Benny, Luna, Finn, Sammy, Avery, and Shimmer dance around Tilly. They're so proud of their friend and Tilly feels brave and confident. She's learned that big dreams are possible when you take small steps. From now on, Tilly knows she can do hard things and her friends promise to help each other always. The adventure has made their friendship even stronger. After their adventure, Tilly and her friends enjoy a picnic on top of the hill, sharing stories and laughter. Shimmer the meadow fairy gives Tilly a special glowing star for being brave with small steps. Tilly places it proudly on her shell, knowing she can reach any goal now. As they head home, the meadow shimmers more beautifully than ever. Tilly's journey reminds us all, with teamwork, encouragement, and small steps, even the biggest dreams can come true.